Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the GT specification. So this vehicle has a lovely opening panoramic glass roof, there's electric tailgate, full LED headlights, 19-inch alloy wheels, you get front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's full leather interior with heated front seats, the driver's seat is positioned electronically and has massage function. Touchscreen has 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter, you get a smartphone charging plate. But the car has some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.